Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can start your own Add Yours template on Instagram apps. So nowadays, you probably noticed that there is a new trend on Instagram where you can add the Add Yours story, and here I'm going to show you how you can create one on your own. So first, click on the your story, click on the plus to add the story, and then you can select an image. For example, here I'm going to use this image. And to start the add yours, you can just click on the sticker icon at the top, and here click on the add your sticker. Okay, so you can just write the prompt. So for example, uh you can just I'm going to just post your favorite trip, for example.
Destination.
Okay, after that you can just click on done. Here you can place the sticker in anywhere you like. For example, I'm going to put it at the top, middle top in here. And after that you can just click on the your story, and after it has been uploaded, any other Instagram users can add their photo, their story using your add yours template. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.